Let's make a quick and easy Zuppa Toscana Olive Garden Copycat. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So we have some ingredients and I'm going to share with you how to make this really quick. I'm going to link a full video as well.
Alright guys, so we started our Italian sausage. To this you would add your favorite seasonings as well as some oregano if you wanted to. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and cut up and sliced up a potato pretty thickly. I'm going to add it to our bouillon. I added a little pesto to that. If you have it, you can add a little pesto. And I've already cooked up our sausage, so I'm just going to mix that all together, let the potatoes cook through a little bit, and add our kale. Okay, Donna, so I've gone ahead and I have some pesto, I have some oil, pesto oil, and I have our potatoes in to cook. And I already cooked up some Italian sausage, so I'm going to put that in along with, we have our bouillon, if you remember. And we're going to let this cook up, boil up, let our potatoes get a little soft, and I'm going to add in our kale and a little cream. Okay, y'all, alrighty, Adorners. So we have our Zuppa Toscana mixture boiling up, our potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some of the Italian sausage I cooked. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the kale and a little cream, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so you can see I've gone ahead and added in a little Italian sausage to this. You can add your favorite seasonings, oregano, salt, pepper, whatever you like. It has some shallots in here as well. We're letting our potatoes cook through, and I'm going to go ahead and add our kale in. I actually cut up the stems because I like them when they're tender as well. Okay, let me do that and I'll be back. Alright, Adorners, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and added in a lot of kale. This is about a half a bunch of kale, so a large bunch of kale. But if you remember, it's just like collard greens, they cook down a lot, okay? So whatever the amount you want, just make sure you double the amount of kale that you put in. Okay, Adorners, so you can see, as you can see, Adorners, we have our soup, our potatoes, our kale is cooking down nicely with our sausage, and we're going to add some pepper and some seasoning to this. Adorners, so you can see our soup is cooking. Our potatoes, you can cook, you can see, we don't want them to fall apart, but you can stick a knife in them. So it's pretty much done. Let's add some cream. Alright, so I've added in a little seasoned salt, some pepper, some almond milk to this. You can add, usually you would use heavy cream, but I didn't today. Alright, our soup is almost done. I'm going to plate it up and I'll be back. Alright, Adorners, our mini quick Zuppa Toscana is done. As you can see, it's so beautiful. And if you want to watch the full recipe, please, I'm going to link my video where I actually did the whole Zuppa Toscana with the breadsticks and everything as well for fall. But anyway,
see you in the next
enjoy.
video.